Welcome to the evolution of Wales. This gallery tells us the story of Wales across billions of years, from bare rock to the beginning of life, right through to the time of the dinosaurs and beyond. Dinosaurs as we know them died out 65 million years ago, but we can still find out a lot about them through fossils. Now, fossils can be found all over the world by anyone, but to truly understand them, we need the help of an expert. Lucy here is a paleontologist at the National Museum of Wales. Lucy, what exactly is a fossil?
Fossils are the remains of animals and plants that lived a long time ago. So things like trilobites, the leaves of ferns and other plants, ammonite shells and other shells, and of course bones and teeth. But fossils also include the marks and traces that animals left behind, so things like footprints are fossils as well.
Now, I have been a dinosaur fan since I was really young. So I brought some of my favourite dinosaur toys, and hopefully you can tell me a little bit more about the dinosaurs. Lucy, what can you tell me about this dinosaur?
Unfortunately, a pterosaur is not actually a dinosaur.
Isn't it?
No.
Oh, okay. What about the plesiosaur?
No, that's not a dinosaur either.
Right. Like Pleurodon?
No.
Sarcosuchus?
Afraid not.
Ammonite?
No.
Tyrannosaurus Rex?
Yes, T-Rex is definitely a dinosaur.
Right, so all dinosaurs were massive, vicious, with really sharp teeth. Were they?
Not at all. In fact, dinosaurs came in all sorts of shapes and sizes. My favourite is a duck-billed dinosaur called Edmontosaurus. It ate plants and it had lots of special teeth for grinding them down. It was quite a big dinosaur. Some of them were over 12 metres long, but some dinosaurs were even bigger than that. This is one leg bone from a Apatosaurus, and it's huge. A Apatosaurus was about twice as big as Edmontosaurus, over 20 metres long. It was one of the big four-legged sauropod dinosaurs with a long neck and tail. But some dinosaurs were even bigger than that. There were lots of small dinosaurs around as well, such as Hypsilophodon, which was about the size of a dog, only about 1 to 2 metres long. And of course, birds are dinosaurs as well, the only sort of dinosaurs still around today.
With such a huge variety of dinosaurs, where did they live? Were there dinosaurs in Wales?
Dinosaurs can be found all over the world. Sadly, we don't find any Tyrannosaurus bones in Wales because we don't have any rocks here from that time period. But the dinosaurs we do find in Wales are much older. Some of the best dinosaur footprints in the world have been found in Wales. These were found near Barry, South Wales, close to where a 4-year-old girl found a fossil footprint recently. We can't tell which dinosaurs exactly made the footprints, but we can tell how big they were, and we can make a good guess about what kinds of dinosaurs might have made them. Most of the dinosaurs were plant eaters, and only a few of them would have hunted other animals. And we also sometimes find dinosaur bones and teeth, and even dinosaur skeletons in Wales. In 2014, there was a really exciting discovery. The skeleton of a new kind of dinosaur was found in rocks on the beach near Penarth, and it was called Dracoraptor. It was a young dinosaur, not a grown-up, and it was quite small, only about 2 metres long. Like Tyrannosaurus, Dracoraptor ate meat and it walked on its 2 back legs. But it lived millions of years before T-Rex did, and they're only really distant cousins.
As we can see, the museum has lots of fossils.
The museum has lots of amazing fossils that you can see when you visit, but we've got lots more in our stores behind the scenes. We've actually got over 700,000 fossils. That's far too many for us to put on show in the galleries, but we do get groups of scientists and artists and other people coming to see them in our stores behind the scenes. Most of the fossils are small enough to fit inside one of our drawers, but we do have some big fossils as well, such as this ichthyosaur skull from Penarth with its big eyes and lots of sharp pointy teeth.
Hopefully, you've learned a lot more about fossils, ready for your next trip to the museum. And remember, we can help you identify fossils that you find yourself, maybe even your own dinosaur.